Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Chinni Kananga Molik, or Chinni Kanang as it is known as sweet potato in English. In Konkani it is called Chinni Kanang, sweet potato sukiyan. So we will see how to prepare the dish. So Chinni Kananga Molik is a sweet dish liked mostly by children. It can be prepared as a 4 o'clock dish also. Chinni Kananga Molik is mostly prepared during puja in Kartik Masu. In Kartik Mas, Konkanis do not consume any kind of pulses. So instead of other types of molik, that is Chonadali molik and Mugga molik, sweet potatoes are used because sweet potato is a tuber. This is soft on the inside and crispy on the outside when prepared. Chinni Kananga Molik has a shorter shelf life. It stays only for a day. Coming to the ingredients. 2 cups boiled and smashed sweet potatoes. White skinned or red skinned can be used. I have used the white skin type. 1 cup to 1.5 cup grated jaggery. 10 to 12 numbers of cardamom, powder and use. 1/4 cup grated coconut. Half cup rice flour. Oil as required for deep frying. Water for making the batter. And a pinch of salt. Wash and scrape the skin and cut the potatoes into cubes. Cook the potatoes. Make the other ingredients ready and keep them aside. Mash the cooked potatoes with a tumbler. Add jaggery. If it has impurities, that is, if your jaggery has impurities, then remove the impurities and then use it. Mix well. Add the above mixture into a kadai. Roast the mixture until the water evaporates and you get a consistency to make balls. This is the filling. Add grated coconut to it and mix well. Switch off the flame once done and add cardamom powder and mix well. Mix well. This is the consistency it should be once you prepare this. This is the filling. Okay, so this should be the consistency of the filling. Now make lemon size balls out of the sweet potato mixture, that is the filling, once it has cooled. Heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. In the meantime, add rice flour and salt into a mixing bowl and make a thick batter, adding water. Take the balls and dip in the batter. Roll them well in the batter to make a uniform coating of the batter to the balls. Deep fry them in oil. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the balls. You can add as many balls that your kadai can hold. Serve the Chinni Kananga Molik after you remove them from oil. Your Chinni Kananga Molik is ready to be served. Tastes good on the day it is prepared. It has a shelf life of 1 day only. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.